what's up, you guys? Since you don't need to really see anything for this video, you just need to hear it, I'm just going to be doing something really weird today, and it's the fart noise challenge. So, I'm going to be making fart noises with my mouth. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, anyway. And I have to make 30 of these. That video, and if you did, please subscribe and smash that like button. That was kind of awkward, but I did it anyway. I love you guys. Peace.